The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baltimore Police Department. Recently, attacks from an individual have skyrocketed to authorities in Baltimore, Maryland. It is unknown who this individual is, but authorities will be currently looking into this individual. There have been also reports of a shooting that occurred at the M&T Bank Stadium just a few moments ago. Before, there has been also some reports of another individual seeming to be a raven, somehow having human-like characteristics. This individual has also been performing attacks on civilians, however was not seen in the shooting. The Federal Bureau of Investigation has now placed these people on the wanted list. If you see these people, call 911. Please stay tuned for more information.